Okay, got called in for an inspection on a 303 mini excavator. I'm going to do a battery draining problem. Doing a parasitic draw test. I have my meter in between here, in between the leads. Right now you're getting, nothing pretty much. Not even a milliamp for the hour meter coming on this machine. I disconnected the power fuse for the 501, which I'm going to reinsert now. And when I put it in, you get a 23, 22 milliamp draw, which is really not a lot, not enough to kill the battery on this machine. As you see, it's dropping down to 20. Now we got lights on the power unit. So it's safe to say that this is not killing the battery, and it's just not being started. I have to do a load test on the battery to make sure what's going on.